Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Apple iPhone 13 mini product red. So if you have been to my channel, if you want to see the detailed unboxing, then I've done it in my first video in Hindi. You can watch that and know how the product is being sent to your home if you buy the product from Apple website. And I would suggest you buy from Apple website because the experience is really nice, and the product that you are getting, you get the latest product and genuine product. Why wait, my friends? Let's open this box and check it out. I've already removed the seal for the Hindi unboxing video. Just we will open it and show you. So inside the box we get an iPhone 13 mini phone, and this is the 128 GB model. We get one USB-C to Lightning cable and some product red messages, as you can see here, product red messages, and SIM ejector tool, iPhone's safety and handling guide, and one sticker, my friends, one sticker. Apple has dropped down to one sticker. They were used to give two stickers, now they are providing only one sticker. That's a very bad thing. And why I got this iPhone 13 mini, behind that there is a small story. If you have seen my last video I have made about the iPhone SE, that had a red color, and that color was very bad. I didn't like that. The red accent that used by the Apple was very bad, so I was missing my iPhone 8, this one. So as you can see on the right hand side, I have the iPhone 8 red, and this is the iPhone 13 mini red. As you can see, the both are having the same finish, so the color of the red looks really nice in this kind of red. But nowadays Apple is changing a lot of a red, but this is the perfect red. I feel this red looks really cool, and on the sides also the color a bit different, but it's aluminum, and this has a different finish to it, and this is a flat bottom, so there will be a difference. And on the front, as you can see, we get the 5.4 inch display. This was 4.7 inch display with the fingerprint sensor here, but there is no fingerprint sensor here. Just open it up. So as you can see, on the left hand side we get the mute button, volume up down, SIM tray. Right side we get the power button. On top nothing. On below we get one speaker, one microphone, charging port, and on the top we get earpiece, and it doubles up as a speaker. We get the front camera here, and also the Face ID sensors are everything here. On the back we get two 12 megapixels cameras, another microphone here, and a flash. That's all. The phone's size, if you compare it, is very small as compared to the both. You can see it's really small than the iPhone 8, and in the width wise also it is small, as you can see here. Just put it on top of here and we can see it. Width wise also it is small, as you can see here. But the phone is very powerful. It gets an latest Apple's processor, and the camera is good, everything is good. This is for a light user, because I don't use iPhone as my daily driver. It's an extra phone for me, for my family and all, but that's the reason I got the mini one. If you want, you can go for the iPhone 13, that's a good deal also. But for battery backup, I will suggest you go for the iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro or 14 Pro, whatever, the latest one you can get. But 13 mini, I got it just because there will be no mini phones anymore, and this will be around with me for 5 years. Let's hope for a good future with this phone and good experience, which I will share with you in future on. So if you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will share the link from where I got this product, and do subscribe my channel and stay safe. Bye bye.